Whoa, whoa, whoa. You might be saying these 10 English words incorrectly. But don't worry, I'm here to fix them for you. And number 7 will shock you. Vegetable, 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 vegetable. Now, we only say 3 syllables, and I know the word actually has 4. So you don't want to say vegetable. It's vegetable, vegetable. And if this is too tricky for you, you can just say veggie, veggie, veggie. Comfortable, 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 comfortable. Again, this one's a little bit tricky. I looked it up in the Cambridge Dictionary, and it actually has 4 syllables. But when people speak, they only use 3. So again, it's not comfortable, it's comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. If this is tricky for you to say, you can just say comfy, comfy. For the next set of words, we're going to do a fast round. Can you say these correctly? Salmon, salmon, salmon. Or you might hear some people say salmon, salmon, salmon. Now, I just wanted to say something here with regards to almond, almond. With salmon, you don't have any flexibility. Whereas with almond, there is flexibility. You can either omit the L, you can leave it out without saying it, or you can pronounce the L. So almond, almond, or almond, almond. But with salmon, there is no flexibility. You have to take out the L. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Also no flexibility with this one either. So it has to be Wednesday, not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Debt, 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 debt. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments down below. Up next is sword, sword, sword. Again, the W is silent. We don't pronounce the W. It's just like Lord, Lord, sword, sword, Lord, Lord. Women, 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 women. Now that's a plural form. The singular would be woman, 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 women, 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 woman, woman, woman. And for the last set of words, we're going to do a fast round, another fast round. Let's finish this one strong. Repeat after me. Cupboard, 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 cupboard. Recipe, recipe. Chaos, 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 chaos. How many did you already know? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.